Here I got a 2011 Honda Accord visor, and that it's really hard to open and close, and I just decided to take it apart to kind of see what was wrong and give an idea to people how to maybe fix it. To get this off, there's two bolts. They're covered up by the lenses that are under inside, so you take that off, and then you can pry out the covering using maybe a prying tool. So that will come off. There's a bolt or a nail that holds this whole thing together, but then if you actually start peeling apart, you can see that it's just glued, so there's really not much you'll be able to do unless you only re-glue it. So it's kind of not worth fixing. The reason I want to show this is if the visor is still functioning somewhat, you can take your Canon WD-40, and if you go in about like an inch or so, you should be able to hit this part. The trick is to kind of get this down the middle in the center so that you don't get it on the covering. So it'll be kind of like this between the plastic part, and just spray just a little bit while it's still, inside your car, and that should give it a little bit of lubrication. If your visor is drooping and it will not stay up, it's because this metal hinge, well, it's kind of like a spring. See how it's starting to crack? It probably has cracked all the way. So if you lube it, then it will maybe last a little bit longer, and it'll be easier to open and close. But you don't need to open all this up. I just want to show you how it looks.